Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to your one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 potential altcoins to buy, and boy oh boy do we have some good news for you guys. Bitcoin is only less than $1,000 away from the all-time high area. Bitcoin is trading at 64,000 right now. We're only about $1,000 away from the all-time high. The market is booming here in the past 24 hours. As you can see, it is green, up 2.65%, making an upward momentum move. Top gainers in the past 24 hours is UMA, which is currently up 21.18%, trading at $13. Highest volume, like usual, Bitcoin at 40.1 billion, Ethereum right behind it with 16.1, Ethereum trading around this 3,900 area, so it's about $500 away from the all-time high. So Bitcoin is right there. Ethereum lagging behind a little bit, but that doesn't matter. It could always come back. Now we have all these other altcoins that are pretty much either flat or up or down 1%. As you guys can see, Binance Coin, Cardano, Ripple, all these other coins are up or down 1% or so. Then we have some outliers down here like Terra, which is up about 6%, Avalanche 3%, Chainlink almost 2%, Shiba Inu is down almost 4%, Cosmos up over 9%. And then we have some other little gainers right there. But guys, this is huge news right here, obviously. As we saw the Bitcoin's ETF, futures ETF, come out on Tuesday. Now we're, been trading that one for a day or now. And now we're going to Wednesday. We're going to see how everything is going to keep on performing. Is Bitcoin going to get to the all-time highs? Only time will tell, but I know how you guys can help. I heard that if you guys smash that like button for me, let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video, it might help it get to all-time highs. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, let's get into it. So the first altcoin on this list is going to be Cosmos, also known as Atom. So Atom here in the past 24 hours is making a nice move, up about almost 10% here, trading at $34.47. It was just here in the $31 range just 24 hours ago. In the past week, we're up about 3%. In the past 1 month, we are actually down about 23% from the high. And then obviously on the 1-year chart, 585% higher. Now, last October, this coin was trading at $5. We saw it hit highs here in February at first, pulled back down, hit new highs in April, and then new highs again in May. This was the peak right there at around $30 in May. Then the whole crypto market space obviously pulled back down. It went under $9 at one point here in June, and then again in July, same area. And then from this July time period, we just kind of started to skyrocket on higher and higher and higher. Over a 300% gain right here in a matter of about 2 months. We've seen this pattern many, many times with many of these altcoins, 100, 200, 300 plus percent, gains in a matter of a month or two here between July, August, and September. So Cosmos had this similar move, then it pulled back down now. Now we're consolidating and waiting for that next upward momentum move. So as the large cap coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum continue to move on higher, we're going to be waiting for mid cap and small cap coins to start moving on higher next. So that is the next, big play we're waiting for. Current market cap, 7.7 billion. Volume right here, right around 900 million, which is actually up about almost 200% higher than usual. Typical hold time on this coin is 36 days. It is ranked the 19th coin on this list. Trading activity is 58% buy activity, 42% sell activity. Cosmos obviously is a cryptocurrency that powers an ecosystem of blockchains designed to scale and interoperate with each other. The team aims to create an internet of blockchains, a network of blockchains able to communicate with each other in a decentralized way. Cosmos is a proof-of-stake chain. Atom holders can stake their tokens in order to maintain the network and receive more Atom as a reward, obviously. So right now, we're very excited to see, how Atom is going to perform here with this movement. We're seeing a little bit of a kind of consolidation period. As you guys can see on the 1-month chart, we did make a downward trend, came back up. Now we're in a little bit of a sideways trading and waiting for that next move on up, hopefully, to get back up to those, all-time high areas around the $45 range. So that's going to be our big goal, big target that we're going to be watching very, very closely. That's going to be our first altcoin, guys. So the second altcoin is going to be XRP, also known as Ripple. You guys are very familiar with this one of the big coins back in the day. In the past 24 hours here, it is up 1%, trading at $1.10. This coin, in my opinion, is lagging behind the market because of legal issues and different things going on behind it in the past. Here in the past week, we're flat. In the past month, we're only up almost 5%. And then obviously on the 1-year chart, 351%. I feel like this coin could potentially be higher or should be higher. Last October, we were trading at 24 cents, went up here to highs in April at around $2 or so, pulled back down all the way to lows of about 50 cents in July, and then started the upward momentum here with over 100% gains. Now we're consolidating once again, pretty similar to Cosmos, same pattern. A lot of these altcoins are having the same pattern with the consolidation, and we're waiting for a breakout with the altcoins, like we said, mid cap and low cap coins. So right now, market cap 51.1 billion. So this coin is actually on the higher market side up there. It's kind of, the top 10 at least, I would say right there. Obviously, we have Binance Cardano way ahead of XRP, but this one 2.6 billion volume here, took 31 typical hold time days. All time high is actually $3.84, so we're very very far away, about 2x from here to get to that area, which would bring it to about 150 billion market cap. So obviously, XRP is a cryptocurrency used by the Ripple payment network, built for the enterprise use. XRP aims to be a fast, cost-efficient cryptocurrency for cross-border payments. So this coin, back in the day, obviously one of the bigger coins, we saw crazy moves here, close to $4 here in January of 2027 or 2017. Excuse me, guys, 2027. We're 6 years away from that time period. In 2017, here we were trading at $4 or so. So we're very very far away from those all-time highs, and it's actually it's going to be a hard thing to see how everything's going to perform in the future. But as long as we have some catalyst type things happen in the future and clear some of the negativity behind Ripple could come back up in the future and be trading at higher levels. But these $4 levels are definitely going to be very, very hard to be trading at, because that would be close to 200 billion market cap, which would bring it right under Ethereum and Bitcoin, and that's gonna be very very hard to do. So Ripple used to be one of the big dog guys, it has that potential to come back up a little bit, but we're gonna be watching very very carefully in the next 5, 10, 15, or 20 years to see how Ripple is gonna perform. But it definitely has that upside for us, and that's what we always look for when we look for these altcoins. So that's our second coin. And then coming at the number 3 spot, it's going to be Terra, also known as Luna. This one is up 6% here in the past 24 hours, trading at $37.84. In the past week, this one is down about 3%. In the past month, we're up actually 9% or so. And then obviously on the 1-year chart, 11,757%. So this coin was trading at around 31 cents last October. We hit highs here in March at around $20. Traded there actually throughout the highs of the crypto space. This one kind of just consolidated. Then we saw a big dip down here at about under $5 at one point in June. And then from this $5 range, we just continue to go higher and higher and higher, guys. Actually from that low down there to the high, that's over 1,000% right there, actually. So if you would have invested $1,000 in June and sold up here in the beginning of October, you would have made about $10,000 profit right there on $1,000 investment, over 1,000% profit, which is insane, just in a matter of a month or two. Market cap currently 15.2 billion. Market cap is still not nothing crazy, nothing out of the ordinary. It's a pretty decent market cap size, mid cap coin right here. Volume is up 19% higher than usual, 647.5 million. All time high, close to that $50 range. Obviously, Luna continues to make, a good performance here, and something that we definitely want to keep watching. It seems like the lows get lower and the highs get higher, and that's definitely something that we like to see. So now we're going to be waiting for another uptrend and hopefully break through that $50 range and continue to push on higher on the next run up. So that's going to be Terra right there, number 3 coin on the list. Now, the rest of the crypto space, how is everything performing? Well, the top dogs that we usually talk about, Solana flat. So Solana's been flat here for the past few weeks, trading around this 150, 160 area. Hasn't made an upward move or a downward move. We have Doge. Doge is pretty much trading around the same level as well. In the past few weeks, we saw a little bit of a movement here when Shiba started to go up, but as soon as Shiba started to pull back down, Doge started to pull back down as well. And obviously, we have Shiba Inu, which is actually down about 3.5% or so, trading still in the 2s. We were very close to the 3. Finally get that 2 to change to the 3. We were very close, but didn't make it. Still trading around there, 11.1 billion market cap. So not that bad for Shiba Inu, obviously. So now the main event, guys, the one you've all been waiting for pretty much. So I asked you guys actually in a poll the other day on my YouTube channel. Obviously, if you're watching right here, we have our community channel right here where you guys can community tab, I guess you could say, where you guys can vote. So I asked you guys, will Bitcoin hit all-time highs in October? 3,000 of you guys voted, and about 80% of you guys said yes, and 20% of you guys said no. Well, we're very close to the all-time high, guys. So the people that voted yes, you guys were kind of correct so far. So we're waiting for it. We're very, very close to the all-time high area. Here in the past day, we're up 3.6%. As we saw that futures Bitcoin ETF come out on Tuesday, that definitely helped it on Tuesday going now into Wednesday. So we went from 61,000, hit highs up here 63, pulled back down to 61, and then skyrocketed on up through the rest of Tuesday into new highs at highs of around 64,500. We were only about $400 away from the all-time high, which is insane to think about. Here in the past week, we're up 14%. Past month, 35%. Insane returns. 1 year, 436%. Look at that momentum, guys. So we saw the low in July, continue to go higher, pulled back down. Everybody thought, uh-oh, that was the high right there. We're going to start to see another dip and go lower and lower. Nope. Bitcoin said, no, we're going to keep on going up. So pretty much all of October, we've been on a skyrocket on up. We're waiting for the all-time high area right now. And going into the end of 2021, big things could happen. Now, everybody's starting to talk about the 100,000 Bitcoin by the end of 2021. Is it possible? It's definitely possible, but we're going to be watching very, very closely to see if that happens. If it does, we're going to see a huge market rally in altcoins as well, in my opinion. Current market cap, 1.2 trillion, guys. 39% of the crypto market space. So Bitcoin is taking up that space very quickly right there. Volume, same as usual, actually. 64% buy activity, 36% sell activity. Then we have Ethereum. Ethereum up 3% as well, trading around this 3,900 area, very close to the all-time highs as well, but it's going to take a little bit more power to get it moving. Here in the past week, 9% higher. Past month, 12% higher. So it is lagging behind Bitcoin, obviously, in the past month or so. But on the 1 year chart, Ethereum is winning 965% or so. We're close to the range where we were trading here in September, around the same area. This is a huge resistance for Ethereum. If we can break through the $4,000 area, we're going to the moon, guys. It's going to go to the moon, in my opinion. Current market cap 456.5 billion, which is 15% of the crypto market space. So Bitcoin is a lot higher than that. 2 times more higher, so triple the market cap right there. Volume, same as usual, 67% buy activity, 33% sell activity. So Ethereum is lagging behind, a little bit behind Bitcoin, but they're both making some huge moves right now, and we're going to be watching for those all-time highs very, very closely. If it's going to happen this week, it could possibly happen anytime now. You guys let me know in the comments below. What do you think is going to happen? Are we going to see these all-time highs? We might have already seen them. You guys let me know. Smash that like button, guys. Show some support on the channel. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so this is all for entertainment purposes only. Speak to your financial advisor before investing and do your own due diligence, understanding the high risk, high reward type situation you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.